Hello, friends. Welcome to my modern education and lifestyle channel. Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn tenses: simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, represented by myself, Mr. Yallappa Mahadev Wagmare, हबप आबा सावंत माध्यमिक विद्यालय तोंडी पिलवली, तालुका चिपळूण, डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी, स्टेट महाराष्ट्र, नेशन इंडिया. Hello friends. Simple present is used to express repeated or unchanging actions. The action can be a habit, hobby, recurring event, emotion, or wish. Simple present is not used to express actions that are happening right now. Simple present basic form for verbs ending in consonants or E, just add S to the end of the verb. When subject are I, you, we, they or plural, the verb forms walk, live, see, speak, play, read. And when in the sentence subject are he, she, it, add yes to the verb. For example, walks, lives, sees, speaks, plays, reads. Examples, sentences: I walk to school, he walks to school, we live in a house, she lives in a house, they see a dog, the dog sees a bone. I speak Spanish, she speaks Spanish, the children play in the park, the child plays in the park. Simple present additional forms for he, she, it, and singular noun if the verb ends in O or X or SH or CH or double S, add ES to the end of the verb. Examples: go, goes, watch, watches, miss, misses, fix, fixes, wash, washes. Sentences: he goes to school, she watches TV, Carol misses her mom, Bill fixes the stove, Joe washes his car. Simple present additional forms for he, she or it if the verb ends in a consonant, that is Y, that is study, change the Y to I and add ES. And if the verb ends in a vowel plus Y, that is play, just add S. For example, first of all, see consonant Y, consonant plus I plus ES. For example, study, studies, try, tries, dry, dries, vowel plus Y, vowel plus y plus s. Example: play, plays, stay, stays, buy, buys. Sentences: he studies English. She plays saucer. The boy dries the dishes. She buys candy. He stays home. Next tense, simple past is used to express finished or completed actions. Simple past, basic form, add ed to the verb. For example, visit, visited, walk, walked, talk, talked. For single syllable verbs ending in a short vowel and a single consonant, double the final consonant. For example, verb sleep, slept, drop, dropped, cross, crossed. For verbs that end in e, only add d. Example: verb dance, danced, live, lived, race, raced. Sentences: I visited my old school. I walked to work. He dropped his keys. They crossed the street. They lived in England before moving to America. He raced on the track. Simple past, additional forms. If the verb ends in a consonant y, that is study, change the y to I and add ed. If the verb ends in a vowel y, that is play, just add ed. Consonant y, consonant plus I plus ed. Study, studied, try, tried, dry, dried. Vowel when y, vowel plus y, ed. Play, played, stay, stayed, pray, prayed. He studied English. She dried her clothes. They tried dancing. She played saucer. We stayed home. He prayed before eating. Next tense, simple future tense. Simple future is used to refer to a later time. Simple future has two forms, will plus verb and be verb plus going to plus verb. They both refer to specific time in the future. Simple future will. Will usually expresses a promise to do something or a voluntary action. Sentences are formed with will plus verb. You can turn the sentences into negative sentences by placing not between will and the verb. Examples: Audrey will play softball next season. Sophie will take car at school next year. I will help him tomorrow. They will build the shed this weekend. We will join them on Saturday. Audrey will not play softball next season. Negative sentences. Sophie will not take car at school next year. I will not help him tomorrow. They will not build the shed this weekend. We will not join them on Saturday. Simple future, yes, no questions with will. Will can also be used in questions. Examples: will Audrey play softball next season? Will Sophie take car at school next year? Will you help him tomorrow? Will they build the shed this weekend? Will we join them on Saturday? Simple future: be verbs plus going to. Be verb plus going to usually expresses a plan to do something. Sentences are formed with be verb plus going to plus verb. You can turn sentences into negative sentences by placing not between the be verb and going to. Audrey is going to play softball next season. Sophie is going to take car at school next year. I am going to help him tomorrow. They are going to build the shed this weekend. We are going to join them on Saturday. Audrey is not going to play softball next season. Sophie is not going to take car at school next year. I am not going to help him tomorrow. They are not going to build the shed this weekend. We are not going to join them on Saturday. Simple future: yes no questions with be verbs plus going to. Be verb plus going to plus verb can also be used in questions. Is Audrey going to play softball next season? Is Sophie going to take car at school next year? Are you going to help him tomorrow? Are they going to build the shed this weekend? Are we going to join them on Saturday? Simple future predictions. Both forms of the simple future tenses can express a prediction about the future. Audrey's softball team will win the game. Audrey's softball team is going to win the game. She will be the chess champion. She is going to be the chess champion. He will win a Grammy for this song. He is going to win a Grammy for this song. Hello friends, I am very thankful to like my videos and subscription of my channel. If you like this video, please put a like and share it to your friends and students, and also subscribe my modern education lifestyle channel for the next video. Okay friends, goodbye. See you in the next video very soon.